Notes on the experiment: a swing from here all the way back equals 1 full swing. Do not count it as 1, 2, 3 swings. Put the string on a high point, then release. When it goes back to the same point, that is equal to 1 swing. Swing the string to the side, not to the back. This way, the string will move smoothly while the protractor and stand will not be hit. When doing the experiment, do not hold the knot or string this way. Doing so will affect how the string moves. If you hold the knot like this, your fingers might cause the string to move faster or slower. To prevent this, use a ruler to move the string. Do not put it against the string. Put it against the knot. To release the knot, quickly move the ruler down.